In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discounts in Zoho Books. Discounts are a great way to incentivize your customers and encourage repeat business. Whether it's a simple percentage off or a flat rate coupon, Zoho Books makes it easy to manage and apply discounts directly to your invoices. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. First, we'll start by enabling discounts for your invoices at the transaction level. This is an important setup step because it determines how you can manage discounts in your system. Begin by heading over to your Zoho Books dashboard. From there, navigate to Settings, and in the drop-down, you'll see Preferences. Click on General Preferences to open the main settings window. Now, within this section, you'll notice an option that asks, "Do you give discounts?" Here, you should select the option labeled At Transaction Level. This choice allows you to apply discounts to the entire invoice, rather than at individual item levels, streamlining the process. Additionally, consider if your discounts will be applied before or after tax. Some businesses find it more beneficial to discount the pre-tax amount, while others prefer it the other way around. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save to ensure your settings are updated in the system. Now that we've enabled transaction-level discounts, it's time to apply these discounts directly when creating an invoice. This is where you bring the setup to practical use. Head over to your invoice creation screen. As you build out a new invoice or modify an existing one, you'll notice a dedicated field for discounts. If you've followed the preference setup correctly, this field will appear prominently on your invoice template. Here, you can decide whether the discount will be a flat amount or a percentage. For example, if you're offering a seasonal promotion, you might opt for a 10% discount on the total amount. Alternatively, if you're applying a fixed discount, like $50 off an invoice, select the flat amount option. Make sure whatever discount you're offering aligns with your marketing strategies and your business's financial goals. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate discounts into your Zoho Books invoicing process. It's a simple, yet powerful way to enhance your customer relationships and improve your sales strategy. Remember, a well-applied discount can transform an occasional shopper into a loyal customer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you leverage Zoho Books to its full potential. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.